Hello again. We are stationed in Carbon Hill, Alabama, waiting on BNSF RHLA 841 with H1 GP 38 2, number 2325. After leapfrogging the train, we ended up in Glen Allen, Alabama, by what I think is a old rail plant or something. I don't know, it looks cool. Finding the train again in Winfield, Alabama, the train had come to a stop at the south end of the siding shortly after pulling in. The crew would stop and unhook the locomotives from their train, pull up, and then back down into this little industry thing. They would proceed to dig out the second hopper of three and attach it to their train, pull to the end of the siding and wait. They would meet one train, and they would meet an auto rack train and possibly let another one come up from behind and pass. This will be the last time we see the 841 today. Hopefully we'll be able to chase it again before they take the H1 off in the future. A little farther down the line is Gune, Alabama. A surprise vehicle train flies by us. I can only assume this would be VBIR LPC, maybe? You know what I ain't ever seen before? A double yellow. That's crazy. Back in Mississippi on South Harmony Road, our last train consists of a 1x1 setup of a Dash 9 and a Gevo with a bunch of heavy-duty flat cars sandwiched in between. I want to thank you guys so much for watching tonight's video, or today's, wherever you are. It means a lot. Please consider liking and subscribing if you will. And yeah, see you next time.